Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra with another reading passage of AI for beginners. In my previous video, I taught you and we talked about AI for kids. In this video, we are going to explore. There are many questions that you all have asked, and here is the part 2. Let's get it started. So, what is AI? AI education. Learning AI can be part of your school curriculum and extracurricular activities. Many schools and online platforms offer AI courses and workshops for kids. You can also join online communities and clubs to learn from others. So, in the next, we are going to talk about that how does AI work? That is the most commonly question yet two people ask me that how does AI work? Why is AI important? So let's study together. AI uses algorithms like recipes to analyze data and make predictions. For example, AI can help predict the weather or suggest movies you might like. It's like having a magic crystal ball. AI tools like Google Assistant and Siri use natural languages processing NLP to understand what you are saying. AI tools for beginner. All right, before I start reading this passage, I would like to tell that there are many AI tools that are really helpful for kids. Likewise, Google Taggable Machine, Transfer Flow, Scratch Junior. As a beginner, you can start with tools like Scratch, a block-based coding platform for kids. This coding website is completely free and you can learn many tools through online. Another, Trans- TensorFlow, a popular AI library for building models. Google Taggable Machine, a fun way to create AI models without coding. These tools can help you build simple AI projects and learn the basics. So here, students, these are some of the things that I have mentioned here for the learning of AI and AI tools. Learn, create, innovate with these amazing AI tools. Why is AI important? Another question. The most virtual and most viral top search on YouTube and on internet question asked from a lot of students from all around the world. So the answer is AI is changing the world. It can help doctors diagnose diseases, cars drive autonomously, and personalized learning for students. Learning AI can open doors to exciting career opportunities and help you build innovative solutions. So, this is the short summary which I told you, taught you in a nice and fun way, where you have learned the explosion of AI. This is the high time, students, to dive into the world of AI and unlock its potential and its benefits. There are many free online AI tools available for you to have a command on your studies and on job purpose. Let's explore AI education together for the future of our kids and ourselves. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I want your feedback in the comment section. I am going to start the free online speaking course very soon. If you are interested, please comment and register yourself. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay connected, and share the knowledge as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned, stay blessed.